How to fix Telegram code not sending on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot the issue from your phone settings instead of within the app itself. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, tap on Messages, since Telegram codes are usually sent via SMS. At this point, tap on Permissions and make sure SMS is allowed for your default messaging app. In the next step, go back and tap on Connections instead. Following this, check if airplane mode is accidentally turned on, since this would block SMS codes from coming through. Once done, toggle it off if it's enabled. From here, check your signal bars at the top of your screen to confirm you have proper network coverage. At this stage, if signal looks weak, try switching to a different location or toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Keep in mind, some carriers temporarily block short codes used by services like Telegram, so contacting your carrier directly can help confirm if that's the issue. Finally, once your signal and permissions are confirmed working, request the Telegram code again to see if it comes through. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Telegram code not sending on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.